Hello guys, now welcome back to my channel. Where the heck am I? What the heck am I doing? Why am I holding my camera? Why am I not wearing makeup? Why do I kind of look weird? So many questions. Well, sometimes I don't wear makeup in videos and that is okay. Just throwing it out there. But today I'm going to be filming, I don't know what kind of video this is, no lie. Normally when I film vlogs, it's very like chill, not my best camera quality, and just like hearing my super late night emotional thoughts. I swear that's like what my vlogs are. But today we're changing the game, folks. It is the 2nd of January 2018 and I am playing on my piano. Not well. I want to preface by saying I don't know how to play the piano, but I'm playing it. And I'm like literally in my pajamas. Like this is real life, you know what I mean? And oh my god, my stuffed animal that I sleep with every night's here. Cool. So I'm trying to teach myself a new song. This is a song by Ruth B. I literally love Ruth B with my heart, my soul, like every inch, ounce, everything of my being. I love her. But I'm not really good at the piano. Like I can't keep up with it. Like it's hard for me to understand chords and everything. So you're gonna see me mess up a lot. You're gonna see just like a lot of flops. Okay, I've been trying to play this for like 5 minutes, so I have like an understanding of how it should go. I'm just not getting how it actually should go, if that makes sense, but we'll see how it goes. Okay. I'm so nervous. Why am I nervous? Okay, whatever. I feel bad inside, knowing this is all built on. I always forget this note. Give me like 20 seconds. Imagine me in a concert being like, just a second, please, if you will. I feel like an awful person. Wait, is it? I feel like an awful person. 'Cause end of the day we're forcing love that don't exist. That was so, okay, I was hitting the wrong notes, so that's why it sounded like that, you know? Why am I doing this? Okay, B, and then they're friends, and then B and friends. Oh wait, I see what I'm doing. No, I don't. Do I? Oh, I do. I'm not in B right now. This is it, okay. This is so unrighteous. That would have sounded cool, Ruth. You could have done that. That would have been easier for me to understand. This is so unrighteous. I'm not even joking around, like this is how confused I am. Okay, so we know this is so unrighteous. There's the G, and we need, oh wait, I think I got it. This is so not like us. And then we're going to, of course, that note again. I still don't understand it. Love at first sight was gone by the end of the night. And then we need the E, right? Of course we do. We both know that this is gonna end. I don't know if it's showing me like all of the chords or if it's just showing me like the first verse on this website. So we're gonna try it one more time, actually completing it maybe. So we need B and then the friends and then B and the friends. Okay. We got something. Imagine me as like a piano student just trying to like understand it and being this confused. By the way, I use both my hands like doing the same thing, but that's technically very incorrect. You're supposed to use, now this is how I'm so confused. I'm pretty sure the right hand is the one that you're supposed to do like, well, this hand is just holding a chord and like going around. So I can't do that. I haven't ever tried, but I don't think I can. So I just do like both the hands, like doing the same thing, I guess, if that makes sense. I feel bad inside, knowing this is all, oh my god, that's so wrong. I feel bad inside, knowing this is all built on love. Oh wait, I was supposed to do this chord earlier. It's going so, I got whiplash in that moment, I swear. I feel bad inside, knowing this is all built on lies. Wait, can I just do that? Is that right? That's so simple, Ruth, because you go from this. Wait, Thinking out loud, folks. I'm thinking out loud. Okay. Eyes. And then you can just move your hands like this. Oh, Ruthie! She's a queen! Okay, cool, cool. By the way, if you don't know what the heck I just did, I literally just, I do that with my friends all the time. It's a mating call. No, it's not. I don't know. I am so hyper and like so happy to be filming like such a casual, like laid back, doesn't matter at all video. And I love it. And it's gonna be posted. Like, I have a feeling. I feel bad inside knowing this is all built on lies. I feel like an awful person, 'cause end of the day we're forcing love that don't exist. Why does that sound like that? Oh, because it's wrong. No? Yeah, it's wrong. I'm trying my best. Hi, it stopped recording. Hee hee. Is this kind of how I have the camera? It's so not. The camera, I'm not even in the frame if I'm over here. By the way, I'm not from Maine. Just wanted to say. Focus on me. Thank you. Yeah, so those are like random little things of my life. But since I don't feel like doing it, I have karaoke online, so. I mean, everyone does. It's not just me. It's everyone. There's glitter on the floor after the party. Girls carrying the shoes down in the lobby. Candle wax and Polaroids on the hardwood floor. You and me from the night before, but don't read the last page. And I stare when you're lost and I'm scared and you're turning away, but I want your midnights. I'll be cleaning up bottles with you on New Year's Day. I really like that one. It's just very slow. I'm kind of in like an unrighteous Ruth B karaoke mood. I love that song. Ruth B is like my ultimate queen, because if anyone was wondering, it is her. Just saying that right now. Yeah. Oh, this sounds good. They're talented. I feel bad inside knowing this is all built on lies. This has really been a lot of fun. I know I don't really like you. Oh, love Ruth B! We're gonna do another one. We're gonna do mixed signals. I love that. Like, this is just hanging out. Love me another loud ad, folks! All my friends tell me I'd be better off on my own, and sometimes I believe them, but I know I can never leave him. I don't know why I love you. I don't know why I stay. I don't know if it's worth the pain. These mixed signals, they killing me. I don't know what you want, but I know what I need. The goodbyes, the hellos, the I need you, no I don't. Every time I start to close the door, you knock, and I let you in. Loving you is my greatest sin. Another song, and then I have to pee so bad, folks! Okay, I'm such a spastic one. Ooh, I want to sing Sorry by Halsey, but I don't know if I can physically sing it, but I want us to sing it, you know? Missed your calls for months, it seems. Don't realize how mean I can be. 'Cause I can sometimes treat the people that I love like jewelry. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I run away when things are good. Never really understood the way you laid your eyes on me in ways no one ever could. It seems I broke your heart. My ignorance has struck again. But someone will love you. But someone will love you. But someone will love you. But someone isn't me. Next song. I thought I was done, but I don't think I am. I'm actually having like a lot of fun, you guys. I'm gonna come like closer though because I feel like we're having a disconnect. We want to hang. You raise me up with the taste of your lips. I'm on a ride. You're toxic, I'm slipping under with the taste of your poison paradise. And I love what you do. Don't you know that you're toxic? Oh, those are the words. I can't come down, losing my head, spinning round and round. Do you feel me now? With the taste of your lips, I'm on a ride. You're toxic, I'm slipping under with the taste of your poison paradise. And I love what you do. Don't you know that you're toxic? This is a fun one. Okay, I've never sang past like that part. Okay, I always go the opposite way. Oh, wrong way. That was actually super fun. Never thought that'd be fun. Let me try Into You. And all I wanna do is to fall in deep. But close ain't close enough till we cross the line. So name a game to play and I'll roll the dice. And waiting for you to make a move. Just make a move yourself before I make a move. Told you. So this was Brooke trying to sing for however many minutes this was. This is honestly such a fun experience of just laying low, laying back, and just singing. So honestly, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for watching. This was a really good experience and I really enjoy singing for you guys. I do. And I kind of lost that. I lost this kind of, I'm so not used to filming with this camera. Like, can you see how big it is? And you can kind of see it. It's huge. I have a microphone. I have so many things. I have a tripod, camera strap. Focus on me. Thank you. Anyway, I did just want to say thank you so much for watching this. I have definitely like went into kind of a more like personal place with singing. I kind of kept it more for myself and wouldn't really sing for people or especially you guys. So in saying that, new year, new me, and I hate that saying, I do, but I think it's honestly fitting for this moment. And I do want to keep singing and I do want to show you guys music I've worked on and songs I've written. Oh my god, shockers. And I've tried to before, but it just like never really happened the way I wanted it to. It didn't go well, whatever. So this is kind of the start of that, I guess. It's like a way for me to branch out. So I hope you guys did enjoy this random situation of me just jamming out to some tunes. And if you did, let me know in a comment below if you want to see a part 2 to Brooke trying to sing for however many minutes straight. So I love you guys so much and I will see you guys super soon. Bye. I didn't do my outro. What the heck? Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe. I can't get my other hand at the moment, so comment and thumbs up and all that jazz. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Fun. Let me love you till you feel alright.